Alright guys, so today I'm just doing a quick look at some pretty recently installed Mitsubishi electric city multi outdoor units. So these are all in the R2 VRF series, the ones that can do simultaneous heating and cooling, and these are the outdoor units. They have the low ambient hoods on them that can control the head pressure when the unit's operating in heat mode and low ambient conditions. And these were all installed in a fairly old school building that now serves as a transportation office. So this was a retrofit installation, not a new. But they're actually very quiet. You can hardly hear the compressor. What you hear is the air coming out of the top of the hood. You can hear them ramping up and down as the conditions inside the building change. We got 3 here, actually we got 4 here. These are the big ones. This is a smaller one right here for a couple of single zones. Here's the back side. Nice long warranty. But you can see they're all 2-pipe. So you got 2 pipes coming in and out of the building. Electrical and control. Yeah, nice system. They only had steam heat and window AC units before, so now almost all office has its own individual unit. High efficiency, which is real nice. So I think they did a good job with this retrofit installation. And they got some more over there. They have them spread all throughout around the building. They're all controlled through a AE200 centralized LCD controller. Yeah, that's a quick look at some. Oh, I see one of them just turned on. Quick look at some Mitsubishi electric city multi outdoor units. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.